Hello guys, welcome. This is FX where we're going to be sharp and distract. So I want to do analysis of EURUSD. So what is happening and what is going on. We are on the weekly time frame, and from the weekly time frame I'm not seeing anything that's serious. If I change it to line charts, I have this rejection line here. This is a key level, anyone know. So this is a key level. There's nothing that serious that is happening. So I'll be mapping this my weekly range now. The week high and the week low. I'm using Fibonacci to know my buy zone and my sell zone. So putting it from here to here. Up here where my is the buy zone and down here is the sell zone. So I can see that this current week down here, this current week, down here is the buy zone and up here is the sell side. This is the buy side. So we can see currently we are in the buy side of the zone because this week we are inside this buy side. So everything we'll be doing here is we'll be buying, targeting this. This is a key level here. This is a key level here. Targeting this key level. Everything we'll be doing in this one, looking for buy, targeting this key level from here to sell. So that's just that about the weekly. So now let me go to the daily. That's where I have business. Daily is where I have my major business. So the daily now, once I see the daily, I can see now I told you that here is what is our buy zone and here is our sell zone for the weekly. We use the weekly Fibonacci. So now we get into our daily now. We have daily reject daily here. We have daily reject daily here. I just hope you guys are following me. And if like this video, if you find it educative, do well to subscribe, click on the notification button, and also follow me on TikTok and like the video so that I can be live section. And if you have any question, ask it on the comment section. And also in the description box there is my Telegram channel. Or if you are watching from TikTok, ask my Telegram channel. So now back to the video. Now we have daily reject daily here, which is for us. The price is confirmed. We have daily reject daily. So we have this previous day. So we've been trading inside this daily range. This is the previous day buy. I don't need to write it. So I need this is the previous day. I know what I'm doing. So this is my previous day high and my previous day low. So since I'm inside trading inside this daily range and I know I'm in the buy zone area, so I'll be looking for buy, not sell. I'll be looking for buy, not sell. So what will I do now? I'll use my Fibonacci retracement again from this previous day low to this previous day high. So you can see the candle that is forming currently is doing what? Because of this daily reject daily line now, uptrend coming to target this previous day high. I'm seeing it as a liquidity. So that's almost I can just say, well, we check on the lower time frame of 4 hours, 2 hours to see what is happening there. But currently on this daily, we are trading inside this previous day range, and when we use our Fibonacci, we are inside the buy zone, not the sell zone. So we'll be looking for buys inside here, and because we have daily reject daily, so our buy will be looking for inside this below this 0.5, which is our buy zone. So now we go to 4 hours. What do you want to see on 4 hours? We want to see a breakout. On 4 hours. But here I can't see anything that serious. Here. So what will I be doing? Let me go to 2 hours. Let me go to 2 hours to see if I can see one or two things. Another thing I can do here to confirm this trend is using a trend line confluence. To confirm, and you can see a trend line confluence. So price has do what? Break this trend line to the upside and is retesting it. So that is what I'll just say about that. So now let's go to 2 hours. Now getting to 2 hours. There's something I want you guys to know. We start from I said it's from external range liquidity. If once external range liquidity is being taken out, we are targeting what? Internal range liquidity. Once internal range liquidity is being taken out, we are targeting external range liquidity. That's just how price move. And you can see here when it changes to a line chart, this break of structure up there, this is our what? This is our internal range liquidity. So you can see when price take out this internal range liquidity up here, it did. When price take out this internal range liquidity here, what did you see that is doing? It's coming down to when price was moving on. This is our when price was moving down, this is our external, this is our internal. When price was moving down, like when you have a break of structure to this downside, external, internal. So when we have, you see, it's open from internal. If it's from internal range to internal range, price is ranging, like it's like in a ranging mode. So you can see price took out this internal and it's doing what? It's come back to this was this internal here. You can see price did what? Price is ranging. Internal to internal is what? Is ranging. External to internal is what? Continuation, and external to external is reversal. So now internal is being taken out. So now internal now sorry guys, from this internal now I'll be targeting this up part 2, which is what? Which is our previous day high. But I will be targeting this up part direct to be on a safer side, of the market. I saw this imbalance here sorry guys, I saw this imbalance at this sell side zone. So what will I do? I'll look for a key level inside this imbalance, and the key level inside this imbalance is where is this. Hope you understand. But what is the price giving us initially? The price is giving us a buy because we have daily reject. But on these 2 hours, to confirm this buy, I will patiently wait for a breakout here. I will wait for a breakout. Here. Yeah, I'll wait for a breakout here. You see a breakout or a break of structure. I'll wait for a breakout here to confirm what price is doing. So it's when once I see a breakout up here, before I know what to do, what to do. Once I see a breakout at that up part, I'll know what to do. And you can see what the price did using our trend line confirmation. Price has do what? Broke this trend line above. Now is testing it back to do what? Continue upside. So that's just it on Euro. That is it on Euro USD. What I'm actually waiting for is this breakout to this upside. Once I see a breakout to this upside, I'm doing what? I'm taking my buy. Once a breakout, sorry guys, once a breakout to this upside is confirmed, I'm taking my buy. I'll look for a retest, I'll look for a liquidity, and I'll take my buy from there. That's all. And if I'm taking my buy from there after I confirm that breakout, here will be my first CP. Here will be my first CP, and this previous day I will be my overall CP. Hope you guys understand. So that's just that on Euro USD that I can say so far. So let me just do a little recap. We're starting from a weekly now. There's nothing on the weekly. I'm not really seeing anything that serious on the weekly. So what did I want to do? I want to trade inside this weekly range. So I have this my weekly previous low and my weekly previous high. So I draw my Fibonacci around this. If once price gets to this up part, above this is 0.5 is my sell zone, below this is 0.5 is my buy zone. So I have a key level for my sell up here that I'm still looking at. So once price comes to this up part and respect this key level, but before I get to this key level, I will need a liquidity before it. So if price do that for me, here is a strong level I'll be selling from. But because I'm a day trader, I want to trade inside the daily range. So I just know what my weekly is doing, and I know that this week that we are still inside the buy zone because we are below the 0.5. Below the 0.5 of the Fibonacci is our buy zone. So now I'll go to the daily. What did I want to do on the daily also? I'm just doing a recap of the analysis again in case you don't understand. So what I want to do on the daily now, I have my daily previous high my daily previous high, which is this, and I have my daily previous low, which is what, which is this area, and I have my daily reject daily, which is what, this area also. So because I want to trade inside this daily range, I did what and I know I'm in a buy zone of the weekly, so I'm looking for buy, but not to enter from a sell zone for the buy. So I draw my Fibonacci inside this daily range from my previous day low to my previous day high, and I see that the current market that is opening is what is inside the buy zone. Below the 0.5 is buy zone, above it is sell zone, so is below the 0.5, which is buy zone. So that has been confirmed. I'm looking for a buy setup. So now going to my 4 hours, getting to 4 hours, I'm looking for a breakout. Since I already have a daily reject daily, did I have a daily sweep? The daily sweep, okay, daily did not sweep, but I have a daily reject daily. So on my 4 hours now, what did I want to look for? I want to look for a break of structure to the what, to the upside, but the story is not clear very well for me on this 4 hours. But I know I'm looking for a buy below this area, and because of this daily zone is what is in the market that open is below it is also inside the buy zone. So I use my trend line confluence. I saw that price did not break above the trend line because price was initially in a downtrend, and when price disrespect this trend, I broke above it. Now that's one confirmation that looking for a buy also. So on 2 hours, to check it very well, since I don't have anything clear on my 4 hours, so getting to my 2 hours, I know what the price is telling me. Getting to my 2 hours, I'm waiting for a break out here. You can see the trend line stuff is clear very well here. I'm waiting for a breakout here. So waiting for a breakout here is when I see a breakout here, I will go for 5 minutes to look for entry. So that's just it about the EURUSD. We are currently in the buy zone, so anything we'll be doing now, we'll be looking for a buy. Is when price come above this level, I'll be looking for a sell. So that's just it. So stay blessed, stay cool, and don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification button so that you can be notified. Follow me on TikTok so that we can do live videos, we can be doing live sections, and also like the video, you find it educative. And if you have any question, put it on the comments box, I'll definitely reply.